Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to speed up your Windows 11 for the best performance possible. First, let's quickly review the system requirements necessary for running Windows 11 smoothly. Next, we'll adjust the visual effects to enhance speed. Navigate to System Properties and select Performance Settings to customize. Disabling unnecessary startup programs can significantly free up resources. Let's review how to do that. Adjusting your power settings can lead to better performance. Set your plan to high performance for the best results. Regular cleaning of your disk and optimizing your SSD can enhance speed. Let's dive into how to manage this. Keeping your drivers and Windows updated ensures compatibility and performance. Here's how to check for updates. Utilize Storage Sense for automatic cleanup and to keep your system running efficiently without manual intervention. Let's explore background apps. Many can consume resources without you even knowing it. Here's how to manage them. To wrap up, we've covered essential steps to speed up Windows 11. Implement these changes for a faster experience.